Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's Senior Kitchen. Today guys, we're going to cook some curry turkey neck. Guys, we already wash our meat with lime or vinegar 2 to 3 times. Guys, I'm not going to pressure heat into the pressure cooker for a very long time. I'm going to put it inside the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. So guys, why I put it into the pressure cooker for 15 minutes? It's more like a pot roast turkey neck. So guys, if I'm not going to put it for 15 minutes, we'll put it for 25 minutes. So when I take it out the pressure cooker, guys, I wouldn't have to put it back onto the stove. But when I cook it for 15 minutes into the pressure cooker, I'm going to put it back onto the stove into an next pot to make it finish cook down. That is where I'm going to do my final season and put whatever I'm going to put inside of it. So guys, I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of curry. I'm going to put in some all-purpose season. I'm going to put in my paprika. I'm going to put in some mixed jerk season into it. I'm going to put in some mixed spice into it. Now guys, I'm going to rub it into it. And now guys, I'm just going to put in this season here. I'm going to add garlic and all different type of things into it, guys. But for now, I'm just going to rub in this season. What I put on it, I'm going to so guys, I'm going to put some chopped seasoning into it. I'm going to rub it. So guys, it's a really neat way to cook this meat, because guys, it's really hard to cook. It's a meat, if you don't cook it good, it do not taste good. Many people say they do not eat turkey neck because it do not taste good, because it's the way how them cook it. So guys, watch exactly how I cook it, and if you cook it that way, guys, you will enjoy it. Even when I season it to go into the pressure cooker for the 15 minutes, after I come out of the pressure cooker, I have to go on again and re-season it for it to taste good. So I don't kill it with all different type of season. If you notice, I just put some chopped garlic and bell pepper inside of it and some onion, and I will put a description guys whatever I put inside of it. But guys, I have to season it this way for it to taste good, because when it come out the pressure cooker, guys, you have to taste it and go back and re-season it for it to really have the flavor and taste good. So guys, it's time for me to get in the meat into the pressure cooker. Guys, around about 15 minutes. I'll remove it to the next pot and finish cook it. So guys, we're going to put in about a cup and a half of water. You don't need a lot of water. And by just 15 minutes, you're going to pressure it for. So it look nice, guys. We're going to close it. So guys, our meat finished pressure for 15 minutes. This is the way it look, guys, when it finished pressure for 15 minutes. So guys, as I say to you, you see guys, it's half cooked, don't fully cooked. So by finish cooked now with the season, everything what you're going to put inside of it, guys. Again guys, see it cooked almost, you see it? You don't have to buy in 5 minutes time or 7 minutes time, you can remove it, the flame from underneath it. So guys, as I say it here, I'm going to re-season it now. So see it here, I'm going to put in my thyme, and I'm going to put in my pepper. I'm going to put in all what I chop together, put it in the description, guys. So guys, so put it When you cook it this way, guys, it fully take the season and tastes very nice. So I'm going to add a small amount of all-purpose more inside of it. And some of the mixed spice. And guys, when it finish cook down, go down more to gravy, you're going to put in a tin of butter bean inside of it. So guys, we're going to put in pimento seed inside of it. I'm going to put in half teaspoon of salt inside of it. Guys, you see, some people put oil inside of it. Guys, look on it. You don't need any oil inside of it. You see it? This thing is filled with own oil. You don't need to put any grease inside of this meat. Wait, guys, see it pretty? Guys, guys, if you want this meat to fish, you can this way. You can eat with dumpling, banana, or you can eat it also rice and peas or plain rice. Good to go with anything, vegetable or anything, guys. Very nice. So guys, look at it. Oh my God. So guys, time for me to put in a tin of butter bean inside of it. Guys, I tell you, do not want this feature. Guys, this can eat to the bone. Guys, I can't just sit down and just eat it straight to the bone. Very nice. When the bean put inside of it, by 2 minutes time or 3 minutes time, you have to remove it because the bean have already cooked. So we do not want it to overcook. So guys, how can I cook? I don't taste it for you. I'm going to make it nice. Guys, I'm going to taste it. Guys, we don't want this to finish. Guys, we don't eat all this with plain rice. Our white dumpling, our caramel dumpling. Guys, are some soft banana. Guys, are some crushed Irish. Guys, do not want this to finish. So guys, I'm going to show you how soft the meat is. Guys, it's well cooked. Look at it, guys. Leaving the bone. See it? Look at it, guys. Very soft. Look at it, guys. Guys, you do not want this to finish. It's time for me to remove my flame from underneath now. I do not want my gravy to dry out. I need a lot of gravy to eat. I don't want it to dry out, guys. Guys, very nice.